Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do simple masking on Davinci Resolve. It's pretty simple. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is add a video on your timeline. That's very self-explanatory if you want to do some masking, right? Okay, so the next thing that we want to do now is add a text on top of this video. Let me just fix that one. Okay, let's add a text on top of the video. And I won't really touch that, because what matters is, okay, now we need to add a track on top of the text track, and just hold Alt and drag this big video up to copy it, to duplicate it. So as you can see, we have 2 copies of this video now, and let's just disable that for now, or not. But all we need to do is basically click on the video on top. And the next thing you need to do is head over to color and click on the pen tool after heading to window, and just draw a box or whatever part of the video that you want to mask, and just right click on the nodes chart, and then just drag that blue line to the output. So basically it creates this simple mask, and that shows up on this video, and everything that passes through this spot is hidden, as you can see, because it's on top of the text. So yeah, that is how you create simple masks on Davinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.